Makaih.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to 520 Speedworks. Here with Adam, and this is our next cool project. Actually, the first of the really cool projects on 520. We kind of showed it a little earlier in the intro.
There's poop right here.
There's poop right there.
Very cool.
But now it's time for you guys to really see what
Big unveil.
we got going on
Where's
here.
like the lights and the glitz and
Yeah.
the turntables and all of that?
I don't think it deserves that at this moment.
Because we've saved it, it does deserve it.
Ah.
Hold on, there's more buttons. If
Do
I
I-
let this go, will it hit you in the face?
Well, if you do, can you let me see it?
So we've got a little bit of work ahead of us, but we'll get her back to even better glory than what she's in now.
Do you want to tell the cool thing about it and why you got it?
So, what makes this car a doable deal, otherwise it probably should have just been turned into parts, is it happened to be the sister car, the older sister car to the kit that was built about 2.5, 3 years ago by Greg. So it was discovered and found in Texas, and we probably wouldn't have made a move on it, but then when looking at the serial number, strikingly, it was 2 serial numbers away from his car, Greg's car, so making it probably built on the same day of Factory 5, making it basically a sister car. So
Same truck coming out.
yeah, probably was on the same supply truck as it brought it out. One got dropped off. This one dropped off in Texas to the owner there, who at some point built it, and then the one that went to California that never did get built until Greg and I went out and got it. So kind of exciting that we have basically brother sister car, however you want to look at it, and when it's all back together, it'll be better than it was the day it was built the first time. So we're very excited about it, and we're most anxious about how we're going to move it, since as you can see, there's no steering wheel. That's missing. It disappeared. We will not say where it disappeared, but all we know is it's not here. And you can see that the steering doesn't work. So we have different tools and like come-alongs and more importantly a forklift, which I feel like the forklift is probably going to get utilized, and the front bumper hitch on a Toyota Tacoma. So that is going to be the fun that we now have to deal with, and yay, let's get excited. I'm really disappointed. Who's looking at you, kid? I still don't understand why we just don't take the key, put it in the ignition, start it.
See what happens? I mean,
Greg, I think that's your department. There's something wrong electrically.
oh,
Maybe, we've seen all those other YouTube videos where they just go and they put a battery in it
it works.
and they start right up.
I mean,
Well, why don't you make it like those home improvement shows and just like go to commercial right now and then it'll all be done.
It'll be done. Poof. All right.
Like a quarter.
oh wow, you barely.
Oh, man.
Gosh,
Oh, there we go.
darn it.
That's
Here-
probably unusable.
Here's the problem.
So this is why it won't start.
At least the horns are good.
That poor radiator. So, what exactly are you doing?
We are going to now hook this up and we're going to pull this.
Are you pulling it with the truck or the forklift?
Guaranteed.
So stand behind the car.
You're not standing. Yeah, you're not standing anywhere.
Stand behind the car. Got it. I don't even want to stand next to it.
Ready?
Sure.
There's a remote for it?
I can let it come.
Yep, the rest is gonna be.
Yeah, how are we gonna get it out?
We're gonna take the straps off.
Yeah.
We're going to get into the truck and change all the settings in the computer, and we're gonna go as fast forward as possible, letting the car roll out gently on its own.
Yeah?
That's my plan.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Okay. See ya in a couple minutes, Mr. Cobra. Hey guys, we made it back to Adam's house. You look like a creepy gremlin.
Kind of, but you can. Ready?
See if it goes backwards.
We're pretty close. Pretty close.
Yeah, you guys are doing
Just
pretty
don't let
good.
it get momentum.
Yep.
It should be fine.
Ready?
As long as you guys can keep it
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
going.
We're good. We're good.
Now you
Yeah.
guys,
Yeah.
that wasn't bad. That's actually pretty good.
That wasn't too bad.
I was expecting it to be a lot worse. I mean, now you just have to rotate it. And she'll come in.
We're really not.
All right, guys. So car's brought over here. It's been over here a little while now. Adam was moving in the time that we had to pick up the car from the storage unit. So it ended up in that garage, and now the race car is in this garage. So there's Adam. So we're gonna move cars and get this thing ready so we can get this project started. Get the body off, get all that other stuff. So today you're gonna see us move cars, or right this section you're gonna see us move cars, put some lights up, and get ready to work. Cool. Oh, here we go. Here's said race car. square it up with, square it up.
Square it up on jack stands.
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. So, as you can see, we got great lights up in here. It's like daytime. So, Adam and I have just been BSing about what we're gonna do with this thing. We might get a little crazy with it. It's gonna resemble a Cobra or it may not resemble a Cobra. I don't know. We got some cool things thinking about going on here. But she is in her home right now. So, next
I'm just
episode.
excited how much room we had to work on it. We picked up so much space.
Yeah, so we actually picked up a lot of space to be able to get a lot of stuff done. So, yeah, next time around, body will probably come off. We're trying to decide, really, we got to come up with a game plan of where we're running with this thing. So, we'll most likely body come off, fix what's,
Continue the destruction.
fix what's broken. We'll deal with a lot of the cosmetic stuff is what we're talking about. So, make it look a little different than what it looks like right now. So, all right. We'll see you guys in a minute.